Hello guys, in this video today we are explaining about the representation of the finite automata, where this finite automata can be described in a graphical and a tabular representation. Now we are going to see in detailed theoretical manner of the finite automata. So we know that finite automata can be formats of a regular expression, which is the language format of type 3 grammar. We have seen that there are 4 types of grammar: type 0, type 2, type 3 and type 1. So this is a type 3 grammar. So we write that finite automata are a machine format of regular expression which the language format is in the third grammar, which is the language format of type 3 grammar. And now let us see the set of the finite automata. And finite automata defined as M of Q, epsilon, delta, Q naught and F. Here this each value is represented in a different manner. So let us deeply discuss what are the Q, epsilon, delta and the Q naught F. So we write where Q defines finite non-empty set states. Set of states. And then epsilon, where epsilon gives the finite non-empty set of the input system. So here we are seeing that states. Now we write the input system. So epsilon is finite non-empty set of input or else input states or system. Again F delta. Delta, which is the transitional function. We have seen how the transitional state function is defined in the characteristics of the finite automata. Now let us see what is the delta in the further videos, how the representation of the finite automata is done with the help of this delta. So now delta is a transition function where Q naught is the initial and or beginning state. And F is finite non-empty set of final state. So here we have seen what is Q, epsilon, delta, Q naught, F. Here Q is the finite non-empty set of states and epsilon is the finite non-empty set of input strings or states. Again epsilon is the transitional function and Q naught is the initial or beginning states and F is the non-empty set of the final state. So let us describe how the containing of the input symbols or with a relation, heading, scanning, input and all. Now let us discuss. We write theory on this. The first point is about find